What's going on, everybody? Welcome to Always Occupied Home and Product Reviews. And in this review, we have the Arrow Hook and Pick Set, 7-piece pick set. You guys, I told y'all we updating the toolbox this year. This year, we're definitely updating the toolbox, especially our U.S. General. We just got you guys. So, all right, I'm just having fun, you guys. There's always a gasket or O-ring to take off, and one of the best ways to take it off is with one of these little hooks and picks. Okay, so let's go ahead and unbox this. I do have an Arrow set. I have their plier set. Yeah, I have their plier set, the needle nose pliers. So we reviewed Arrow on this channel before, and I believe Arrow is coming up there as far as brand wise. But let's go ahead and get into it. All right, so we have the case right here. All right, you have your carrying strap right there. And there you go. Now you look like the dentist, but only in the auto shop. You have a round hook right here, cover right here. So if you want to keep it nice and organized, don't throw away the cap for your sharpness, okay? If you want to keep it nice and organized. More than likely, in my garage, it might not stay organized. All right, so anyways, another thing that you can use this for is when you doing car detailing and you need to get inside those real thin crevices. And then you have the big pick set. Now you can use this to get those O-rings or gaskets, whatever you need. All right. Maybe you might use a razor blade when you trying to clean up a gasket and all of that, but you can also use a pick. So you got your hooks and you got your picks. Again, this is very nice. More than likely, I will probably lose these little rubber covers, but you know, it is what it is. It comes with the game, you guys. All right, but this is a very nice set, and it's strapped on very nice and easy. Again, you don't have to worry about losing this. All right, you just have to worry about somebody misplacing it if you let somebody use it. And that's it. Just wanted to show y'all the unboxing, but this is pretty cool, all right? Something definitely nice to have in the toolbox, just in case you may need it. All right, you guys, so we are here with our pick set, and I'm just going to show y'all an example. So let's say you have like an O-ring like this that you need to take off. Now, you can use a screwdriver if you want, but sometimes you might not have a screwdriver that could fit in. Or you can use one of your pick sets. Okay, now this is an easy O-ring to get off, but there's other O-rings that's very hard and tedious to get off, all right? So you could just take your pick set of your choice and reach in, take it out nice and easy, all right? Now, again, you have some O-rings. This is a rear view, a rear camera, just to let you know. But you have some O-rings out there that are very stubborn. They're so tight that you can't get the flat head, or your flat head might be too big. So you have different size picks to go at and get it out. So we're going to put our cover back on. And again, like I said, these covers might not last me long. Eventually, I'll probably lose the covers. Okay, and that's it. Again, you have different ones to go for, different angles, right angle, and all of that. So just like that, reach in, grab it. Oh, that was a little. There you go. Grab it, take the O-ring out just in case you need to replace the O-ring. I know some people their oil caps have gaskets on it. So there's O-rings and gaskets everywhere, you guys. All right. So yeah, that's good. And you can also use this for plumbing as well. Definitely nice for replacing O-rings for your plumber gear. And that's about it, you guys. If y'all have any other questions, comments, concerns, put it in the comment section, and I'll get back to y'all as soon as possible. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. And there goes a new tool set for our collection.